So today I'm going to be building my new PC. All right, let's get to building. It's the motherload of cables. So I did decide to go with a full Corsair build so that I could just have IQ Link. This is also going to be my first AMD personal build. I need more light. Doing this in the middle of the night might not be the move. I wasn't able to escape the RAM crisis. I bought this for $260 at Micro Center.
Testify, come up in the spot looking extra fly.